The next central bank that we're looking at is the Reserve Bank of Australia. Their structure consists of a governor, currently Philip Lowe, a deputy governor, and 6 other independent members who are appointed by the government. They meet in total 11 times a year. They meet on the first Tuesday of every month, apart from in January. And the Reserve Bank's board aims to ensure that the bank's monetary and banking policy helps the Australian population. And they aim to achieve that by focusing on the key issues of the stability of Australia's currency, the Australian dollar. They try to maintain the full employment as close to possible for Australians, and then the general economic prosperity and welfare of the people of Australia. And in practice, the Reserve Bank concentrates on the first objective of price stability. It tries to control inflation through its monetary policy, and the current objective is to have an inflation target aimed at maintaining the annual inflation rate at between 2 to 3% on average over each annual cycle. Now, if you go to the Reserve Bank of Australia's website, once again, the focus you really want to look at is you can, obviously have a look about them and read up about the history. It's quite interesting. But the area to really look at is the monetary policy. And when you look at the monetary policy, you want to look at things like the interest rate decisions. Go down to 2018. You can see the last meeting they had. You got the statement by the current governor, Philip Lowe, and you get to see there, inflation is low and is likely to remain so for some time, reflecting low growth in labour costs and strong competition in retailing. A gradual pickup in inflation is, however, expected as the economy strengthens. Central forecast is for CPI inflation to be a bit above 2% in 2018. So you can read through the statements and get a real sense of what they're trying to do. And then you can look at the minutes. Again, 2018. Just click on the latest year, and then have a look, and you get a good rundown of the minutes, what they've been discussing, what they've been talking about, and you can see the kind of factors that they're factoring in for their monetary policy. And this is when you start to see what their projected future rate is. And remember, that's always what the market's trying to do. It's always trying to see what's coming next. And so central banks' minutes, statements, interest rate statements, etc., are reviewed very, very acutely and carefully by the financial markets as they try to see what's coming next. So this is just another central bank for you to focus on. There's the relevant places. There's the home page, so you can find that for yourself anytime you want.